Welcome to Drawing Box Studio, and today we are going to make Sonic. And let's draw. We will start from the eyes, and the eyes are in oval shape. So first make the line like this. We have to make an oval like this, and this will continue here and connect to this line. Okay, now we have to make the eyeball. Make a oval and make another oval in it, and put one over here. Okay, you can see the eyes of Sonic is ready. Make a line for the thickness, because this is a 3/4 pose. This is like the goggles. Okay, these curve is very important because there will be the nose come like this, and this is the shine, and the rest will become black like this. Okay, now we have to make the smile of the Sonic. From the end of the eye, make a C in opposite direction and connect this C with this line. Now we have to make the Sonic smile. Okay, now the inner face is ready. Now we have to make the outer shape. For outer shape, it's a big round shape, so we are going to make his don't make haste, just be steady, and the last one will be come from here. The gap which I left here will come. This, and the second will be over here from the thickness of the eye. And now the face of Sonic is ready. Now we are going to make his big hands. Okay, from this curve, a little curve I draw over here and make a curve line. And this is not a curve, actually curve line. This is a straight and this is a curve. So this line will show the volume of the hand, the side, the hand, and the upper side of the hand. There will come the first finger, second, third, and the fourth, the little one, and it will connect to this. The hand of the Sonic is ready. He is wearing gloves, so we will make that. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, and this is the glove oval. As you can see, this is the upper side of the hand, and this is the side. This is the side line, and this is the little straight line. And here the arm line and the second arm line. You will now get the idea how he is standing. Now we are going to make his leg. For legs, a little from this midpoint, we will make a straight line like this, and from another like this, make a curve from here. It will give the idea of the socks. Make a A. This is a little pick from this leg, because this is the front leg and this is the back leg. Make a round. This is his tail, this is the belly line. Okay, now we are going to make the shoes. For shoes, make a round. This will give the idea, the depth. Okay, now we are going to make the shoes. This is the design of the shoes. We will color it in black. Okay, from here, and this is for the thickness of the shoes, this line. Okay, now we are going to make the second shoe. So make a line, this, there is the curve, and this is the shoe's depth, because his leg is inside the shoe. Make a oval, and this is for the side of the shoe. And make, okay, these lines are very important, because this will give the volume, how the shape of the feet is. And our character Sonic is ready. Thanks for watching Drawing Box Studio, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.